Sympathy. Sympathy for the devil is a dying art. People seem not to recognize the strife born of ignorance, itself a poison, born of neglect, and a world's malnutrition, as just as deep a cut as branding the flesh, as leaving one's skin to ache from undue lashes. Knowing love may await a victim, yet knowing hate awaits a criminal. They chant to extinguish the insolent man, the toxic woman, any in between, broken beyond love's repair, too screwed by their own tongues and fists and untempered impulses. Have you ever stepped into the wild, knowing you've an ancestor just the same, if not more so, of the inordinate disposition? Knowing how crudeness is an untempered will, born of dirt and air and the broken imbalances between the sexes and the ages, the peoples and the spaces, the homes and the families, the lives and the minds broken is equality. So hard to find, so easily reduced to the sandbox of life. In every tribe, what are we but broken heroes resisting defeat? Knowing our errors will poison us more than induced traumas of the world ever will. Be careful not to spill my drink beyond the sink. Let my tragedies be private, my errancies be square, so no one can wrong me unjustifiably, as though I am no more than the public's toy to flog, discard, and let go of for the man to condemn and foreclose. Like a neighbor who picked the wrong fight, or a senator who chose the wrong gal, or a feminist who fears strange women too fiercely, or a model who ruins the purity mystique. The poison of sin, of strangeness, of will askew in all of us, just as coldly, as boldly, as the bow will untie of a shoe. And I ask myself, why did I do that? Why did I choose to fall? Why did I think I could have it all? And I could have. Had I not been wrong, had I not been right in a way that they did not subscribe to, had I not been so natural in a way that disturbed, had I just been the purest angel that they saw of me first. In me, that sweet cherubic saint who should have been, marred by her beast that defames our identity through her very own arms, her voice, her words, her thoughts, her moods, her brokenness, and the wrench she attempts to use to curb away the solemn moods that dissipate when everything resolves for that one moment in time. I know you still ring in me. I know you still shine. They knew you, dear. They really do. Trust that you're still here. The love in you, broken and frayed. The wilderness, the loneliness, the outskirts of heart to heart. Playful living lingers every time I choose to love you. And I miss you, dear. And I miss how I met you, dear. And I know you've been hurt and hurting too. Just know that I'm here. I want you to live for me. And I just want you to suffer a little less. Love yourself a little more. You know, I still love you. Your worst had to be. I know your heart. You're not the least. Remember who you are, for I'll remember you too. To thyself, please, dear. Just be true. Remember who you are, for I still love you.